Hey, how you feeling? You doing okay? You feeling okay? Huh?
No.
No. Well, what's the matter? Huh? What's the matter?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Do that.
No, I'm just looking at you.
You okay? What are you doing? Can't get up? Are you stuck?
Don't get out of bed.
You're gonna fall. You can't get up. You gotta lay still. No, you gotta sit still, honey. Come here. There. You gotta sit still.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay.
Can you football?
Okay.
I said can you?
Can I do what?
The
The bottom? I don't know how to put the
Oh,
bottom
the
up.
colors?
The covers? I think he wants his feet up. I don't know how to do that. No, sit still. You don't need it up right now. You're okay.
I'm licking your ears, okay?